Okay.
Good afternoon, everyone. Today we will discuss about the innovation network. Before we start, let me introduce myself first. I am the first reporter. I am Joel Bacalimasayon. And also to my group mates, Lizzie Manding, Divine, Liganan, and Elisa Bordo. Knowledge King. Our topic is Unicorn Innovation Network. We have here two learning objectives. At the end of this unit, I am able to explain innovation and discuss how this innovation works. So, what is an innovation network? So, from the word innovation, it is creating new ideas, new kabaguhan dito sa kapata yung development or improvement sa kabutang. So innovation network is support continuous improvement, idea management, and innovation management of a company. They enhance the innovation process and are integral part of innovation culture. So when you say innovation network, it is interconnected entities, teams, organizations, or even industries which can foster innovation by sharing knowledge, ideas, and resources para makahimot na for development and improvement sa products, services, or processes. So next, we have here the advantage and innovation network. The establishment of an innovation network makes it possible to introduce different points of view into the development of an innovation culture. Innovation to quickly make the necessary resources available as the discoveries foster into a company or organization. So, also sa advantage sa innovation network is kanang mag-share mo mga different thoughts, ideas para mas more nagamog ng idea kung saan yung pag-improve or pag-develop ang sa kabutang or products para mas dapat na siya kanang mas more changes para mas ma-attract sa mga tao. Next, the implementation of an innovation network has three major advantages. First, increasing the diversity of ideas. So, first, explain na siya ganina, mag-share mga ideas para pagdagan sa development, pagdagan o idea, and yung compare and contrast. Then, example niya is marketing, production, sales, and development are presented develops ideas that will inspiration from others' perspectives. Like, balikayin mo ka linker point of view, which is kanang kakulangan sa mga idea, which is, for example, isa lang ka idea naman i-idong mag-anak para nasa improvement, which is mali na siya, kinahalan, mag-share mo more ideas para mo na makapilian. Doon, nakahalimtan is, ang innovation network is, nakahelp na siya sa pag-generation karon sa digitalization, which is ano siya magkapag o kanang connection, kada po siya connection sa mga empleyado, negosyo, or sa mga stakeholders para mas mapadali nila kanang endorse ang mga product sa mga natawag pinagi sa company or organization. So, next.
This diagram illustrates a company's interconnected structure sa internal o external. So, internal, kung siya may mga team na work sila, nag-develop sila ng ideas, nag-what sila sa finances, technique, communication, services, nag-prepare sila sa money for the project, communication, gamit na very unique din siya. And third is innovation networks promote the innovation culture. Current knowledge and current trends are introduced by members of innovation networks into an enterprise. Innovation ideas that added more deeply to the organization. The establishment of an innovation network or simple innovation network correspondingly positive effect on the initiative of companies. Innovation networks increase the ability of companies with both hands to efficiently implement existing as well as to develop new ideas. In science, it is called the principle of ambidextrity. So, ganun ang ambidextrity, kay kuwan din siya, kanang bitaw, buhay mong gamiton, like, kanang mamaligan ka sa personal din. Tapos, ang ikakuhan yung gamiton, kay katong kuwan, mag-post ka sa social media, wala siya yung link sa ambidextrity. So, sa number 3, pag ang grupo sa efficiency advantages, nakakuha na sila naka-create na sila ng innovative na products. Pag-abot sa number 3 is mag-promote the business, ma-famous na ilang business. Thank you.
So, establishing an innovation network. Innovation network ang build within a company or by involving external parties. So, ang kasabot sa external parties is kung siya business relationship like customer or supplier. So, when innovation networks open up, this is called open innovation. So, ang open innovation ay nag-cooperate sila sa ubang individual company or organization. But ang cooperation is, nila isa or pagrupo na nagtinatagay sila aron sa pag-imog o sa produkto o servisyo. This is how you set up innovation networks. So, part indicators.
Shooters.
Depends on the commitment of individuals to build and maintain this network long term. So, look for